All right, I got this thing built, baby, the Matt Ray MR2. Let's check it out real quick. So I got the Matt Ray frame, the 21.2 top tube. I'm loving this bike. Thing feels so smooth. Got the matching MR2 seat, shadow seat post, the Rose 165mm cranks, the shadow wheels. Running these shadow little one pegs, the 4.3s, kind of thing. I should have just got the 4s, a little long, but whatever. Running these Samo CC, whatever they call them, the forks with the 27mm offset, the 9.3 matching handlebars here. Got the Rose stem, looking pretty clean, and this thing's looking good. Maybe try to get a couple clips into this thing maybe tonight. We'll see what happens. Sprocket there. Anyway, haven't seen any of these yet anywhere except for Matt Ray's, so figured I'd post a little video. Give me a comment. I want to know if you like it. Thing's sweet, right? All right, peace.